Hi, welcome to Car Hunter, and today we're going to Silver Systems in Leek to have the exhaust done. So hopefully he's going to let us film to see what he does. So the exhaust is on and it sounds absolutely brilliant. So really happy with it. And a big shout out to Silver Systems and Leek. If you're after an exhaust, a custom made one, look him up. He's on Facebook and he's on the internet. Silver Systems. So again, if you've enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a like. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. There's plenty more coming on the 1 Series BMW. I'm waiting for the body kit to come. So again, we're just going to change the look of the car. So take care. I'll see you again soon.